Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Hub. My name is Rajendra Malviya. Today we will talk about present tense. Present tense simply means we are talking about present conditions. Okay, present tense not only we use in present condition while we also use in universal truth. Suppose in present simple tense. Present simple tense we talk about the present things. Okay, just like someone is going to school. Okay, then we can say he goes to school. Okay, suppose any female is going to school, then we can say she goes to school. Woman goes to school for teaching. Okay, these are the way to make sentence in simple present tense. Okay, now we talk about the concept of simple present tense. In simple present tense we use s or es in verb. Just like if there is he, she, it, then we will use what? S or es in verbs. Just like he goes, she goes, he eats, she eats, it happens. Okay, it rains. If there is he, she, it, then we will put s or es in verbs. If there is a plural, then we will use what? Without s or es we use the verb. Like we go, we work, they come. Okay, they eat. This is how we make simple present tense. Now suppose you want to make question in simple present tense, then how can you make? Then there is a very simple method. You can use do or does in prefix. Just like he works, he works. Now you want to make question tag imperative sentence, then how will you make? You have to put does in prefix. Does he work? Does he work? Now you have to keep in mind, does he work? After does he work, you don't have to put s or es in work because you're already using does. Now they work. They work. Now you have to make question. Do they work? Do they work? Because they is what? Plural. And he see it. In case of he see it, you have to use does. In case of other plural things, you have to use do. Okay, so this is how we make questions. Now how can you make negative sentence in simple present tense? Then you have to use do not or don't, doesn't or does not. This is how we make negative sentence. Just like she eats. Negative sentence, she doesn't eat or she does not eat. He walks. He doesn't walk. So this is how we make negative sentences. Now we will talk about present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we use has, have, and the third form of the verb. Like he worked is past tense. Now, how will you use has and have? He has completed his work. He has completed. Means if there is he, she, it, you have to use has. And plural things you have to use what? Have. Just like we have completed, they have completed. Okay, this is how we use what? Has and have. Like uh, they have done their work. Okay, now you have to make question. How will you make? Then you have to use has and have in prefix. Just like they have done their work. So how will you make question? Have they done their work? Okay, this is how you can make. Just like she has completed her homework. Then how will you make question? Has she completed her homework? In prefix you have to put has and have. Okay, now how can you make negative sentence? Then you have to put has not, have not. Just like she has done her homework, then negative sentence, she has not done her homework. Just like they have completed their work, then they have not completed their work. This is how you can make negative sentence. Now after present perfect we will talk about the next thing you know, present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous you have to use has been, have been. Okay, has been, have been, and you have to put ing in verb. Just like I have been reading since morning. I have been reading. Here with I you have to use what? I have been. Okay. Then he see it you have to use has, just like other tenses has. And with other plural you have to use have. I have been reading since morning. Okay, this is how you use present perfect and continuous tense. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt in present tense, then you can simply write it to comment box. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so you can get latest notification of our video. Thank you for watching.